In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a graph to a slide in PowerPoint 2007, whether you're preparing for an important presentation or just enhancing a simple project. Knowing how to incorporate a graph is an invaluable skill for visually representing data. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're using Windows, you'll likely find it in your list of programs under Microsoft Office. Make sure you have the specific PowerPoint file ready that you want to add your graph to. Having it already open will save you time and keep you organized. Once your PowerPoint presentation is up, navigate to the specific slide where you'd like to add the graph. This targeted approach ensures that your graph appears exactly where you need it and saves the hassle of moving it later. It's always a good idea to keep your slides specific and clutter-free. Remember, clarity is key to effective presentations. Next, look for the Insert tab on the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of your screen. The ribbon is the toolbar that houses several command tabs, including the Insert tab. Clicking this tab will give you access to a variety of items you can insert into your slide. It's like having a toolkit at the top of your screen ready for you to use. In the Insert tab you will see the Chart option. Selecting this option is the gateway to bringing your data to life. By clicking on Chart, you open up a variety of chart types you can choose from. Each chart type has its own strengths, so think about what kind of data you're dealing with. For today's purpose, we're going to focus on adding a bar graph. In the chart dialog box, you'll spot the bar chart icon. Clicking on it will present you with different subtypes of bar charts. Choose the one that best fits the data narrative you wish to convey. Bar graphs are particularly beneficial for comparing quantities across different categories, so they're perfect for visual comparisons and trends. After selecting your preferred bar chart style, click OK. This action will insert a basic bar graph into your slide. Your graph will populate with placeholder data by default, but you can customize this later to fit your specific datasets. PowerPoint also opens an accompanying Excel worksheet. Here you can input your real data to replace the placeholders. Simply type your figures into the spreadsheet and watch as your graph adjusts to dynamically reflect the new data. Thanks for following along with us today. Now you're ready to effectively add a graph to your PowerPoint 2007 presentation, enhancing your slides with visually powerful data.